really love this time of year. Show season, it's warm outside, sun's shining, the lighting's good, the new body style trucks are coming out. Got a very special one today. It's a 2024, this is the Denali 2500 GMC. It's all matte black. It just came out of the wrap shop. It's getting a 4-inch Cognito Lift with Elka shocks. First time I've done any Elkas. Elka is like a new shock brand, I guess. It's very, very nice. It's very expensive, of course. It's probably one of the sharpest looking shocks I've pulled straight out of a box. I'll show you those parts in just a minute because I have everything pulled to the side out there. But check out the truck. 2024 new face. GMC just redid this. It has a new chrome on the front. It's like a dark chrome. Very, very sharp. It's called Vader Chrome, actually. Looks really, really cool. This is a guy named Chris. He took the truck and got it wrapped matte black. They took the chrome. I don't know why GMC put chrome on the door handles on this body style with the Vader Chrome on the front, but this is the closest that they could match it with at the wrap shop. Vader Chrome. It's pretty close. It looks really good. Nice on the matte black. Doing a lot of stuff to it. Doing some JTXs, some gloss black. It's a wheel called the Pronto. Some 37-inch, I think it's Toyo's we're doing. He even had this piece right here color matched, the Vader Chrome on the step. So I got sidetracked earlier and had to go back in the office for a minute, but I wanted to go ahead and show you the interior of this truck too. I'm sure that you guys watched the last video of the interior, but this one I get a little bit more detailed with. So the screen's huge. Yeah, I like it. It really feels good in here. It feels like the Tahoe. Ultimate stitching, the badges I mean. It's got the two-tone stitching, leather, wood grain on the doors. Right here it's got that little print on the leather. It's really cool. There's the trailer mode. Oh, that's crazy. I like the clock too, the digital clock. Getting some there's the lift kit for it, some Elka shocks with the Cognito Lift. I'm gonna pull one of these out. Pretty cool. Get the reservoir on it. That'll be a really nice kit. '24 GMC Denali, flat black wrap, ultimate actually, Denali ultimate. 22x10 JTX Pronto, gloss black. Not quite done yet, center caps aren't on. It's got the Cognito Lift, 4 inches with the Elka shocks. This is new up here. We haven't seen much of this stuff come through yet. Looks awesome though. Wanted to give a big shout out to Chris, the owner of this truck again, for the opportunity to build it. This is one for the books for sure. This is probably first 15 of these built in the country with a new face like this. This is a 4-inch Cognito with the Elka shock upgrade, Toyo open country tires, and some 22x10 JTX wheels. Turned out perfect. Let me know what you think in the comments. 2022 Ford F450. We've been doing a lot of these lately. This one's a 26-inch KG1 Lotus is what it's called. I really like the wheel. He let me pick the wheel out on this one. He loves this 37-inch crosswind tire. It's not usually the tire that I pick, but he swears up and down that it rides good on this truck, on every truck that he buys. He took our recommendation this time on the Super Duty to get the Striker 4-link kit. I love this kit because you can get those polished face plates for it, and it really matches well with the wheels. Looks so good. Chrome on the truck looks good with it. More of a fan of a black, silver, or white truck most times, but I don't mind this blue one. It's way nicer than what I drive, right? I bet that payment's a lot more too, though. All in all, I'm happy with it. Shout out to Chris again for building this truck. This is probably like, I don't know, 30th truck this guy's built with me, maybe more. I appreciate the business all the way through though.